So in this video, I'm going to discuss the vampiric powers problem. Vampiric powers, comma, anyone question mark, whatever it is. This problem, which occurred in today's Code Forces challenge. So if you have any doubt regarding this, you can pick me up on Instagram. Even you can join my Discord server. I will provide both the links in the comment section. I'll pin them. The problem is very simple. You're given an array, and a person can select any specific position and can find the XOR of all the elements from that element, from that position to the last position, and append it to the end of the array. So what you have to do is you have to find the maximum value that can be appended. And remember one thing, you can append this thing as many times as you want. Okay, so you have to find the maximum possible value which can be like appended on the nth time or any time. Okay, so for the 0251, so what the best approach would be is to first select this index, that is the XOR of elements from this index to the end is 1 because there is only one position, so we are going to append 1 to it. Then select this index and not this index, you can select this index and find the XOR of all the elements, which becomes 7, and you can append it to it. So no matter, you may continue doing this as many times as you want, but 7 is the maximum element that can be appended. So the answer is 7. For this 1 2 3, you can select this 3 and append it, like, because just only this position. And remember one thing, 3 is the maximum. So you can try doing it by other means also, but this 3 will be the maximum. Now why is this the maximum? I will be explaining to you. For this 8 2 4 12 1, 14 is the maximum. So what this basically means is, like, you don't need to consider this operation of trying all the possible situations. This is basically like, let's say when I am considering this portion, that means I am appending it to over here, and then when I am considering this portion, that means that these two are going to cancel out, because you remember one thing, A XOR A is equal to 0. So basically this is, you have to find the maximum XOR of a subarray. A very simple concept. Now there are many approaches to do this. One is the big O n squared approach, which I think, not only I'm sure that this is going to give you TLE. So the best approach would be using a trie, where you can do it in big O n and big O n, okay, space and time complexity. So this is the best approach. So I'm not sure about this complexity, but this is going to be the most efficient approach, try. So this thing you will find on many open source online sites like GFG or others. So what you have to do is, remember one thing, over here it has been given that the value of this AR of I does not exceed, it is lesser than 2 to the power 8. So since you know that in try we always check all the elements from 31 to 0, so over here you're going to check from 7 to 0. So this is also going to decrease the time complexity. So this is how you have to do it. So over here the maximum is 0 to 5, the XOR of 0 to 5 is 7. Over here the maximum is 3, so it is 3. And over here I'm not going to give you, this is going to be like, you are going to tell me in the comment section which subarray for this is going to give XOR as 14. That's it from my side. Thank you.